present one of Indonesia's most magnificent cultural and historical treasure. Nah, Prambanan Temple, this temple is not only an architectural marvel, but also a symbol of Indonesian rich heritage, blending a religion, mythology, and history into the remarkable site. Nah, overall, with this presentation, we will explore five key aspects of Prambanan Temple. Its historical background, architectural highlight, cultural significance, the legendary tale of Roro Jonggrang, and this recognition of by UNESCO. And along with the ongoing presentation effort, we hope this presentation will give you a deeper appreciation why Prambanan remains one of Indonesia's most treasured landmarks. Now, let's begin with this historical background.
Now, we start with historical background. Prambanan Temple, also known as Roro Jonggrang Temple, was constructed in the 19th century during the reign of the Mataram Kingdom. The Grand Hindu Temple complex was built as a tribute to the Trimurti. The three principal deities in Hinduism is Brahmana, Vishnu, and Shiva. Among these, the temple's complex primarily honors Shiva, making it one of the most significant temples in Southeast Asia. Over the centuries, Prambanan faced various challenges. After the decline of the Mataram Kingdom, the temple was abandoned and left to deteriorate. It was discovered in the 18th century, but much of it was in ruins. Restoration efforts began in the 19th century, and in the year 1991, Prambanan was officially recognized as a UNESCO heritage for its immense and cultural and historical significance. Now, let's move on to its architectural brilliance.
Prambanan Temple stands as a masterpiece of classical Japanese architecture. The temple's complex originally consisted of over 200 small signs surrounding the three main temples dedicated to Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. The tallest and most prominent of three is the Shiva temple, soaring an impressive height of 47 meters. What sets Prambanan apart from other temple complex is interest the style carving. This carving depicts scenes from the Ramayana epics, a secret Hindu text that narrates the adventure of Prince Rama. Every detail of the temple walls design also follow the mandala concept, symbolizing the universe of Hindu cosmology. This secret geometric argument ensures that every structure within the complex live harmoniously, but spirituality and architecturally beyond its architectural grandeur. Prambanan holds the cultural significance, which will be explained next.
Okay, cultural significance. Prambanan Temple is more than just an ancient structure. It is a living testament to Indonesian cultural and religious heritage. It represents a period of religious harmony between the Hinduism and Buddhism. In ancient of Java, that would be a Hindu temple, Prambanan consisted with the nearby Buddhist temple of Borobudur, reflecting the diversity of tolerance of the time. Even today, Prambanan serves as cultural hub. One of the most famous traditions held here is Ramayana Ballet, a breathtaking Japanese dance performance and brings the legendary story of the Ramayana to life. Set against the backdrop of the illuminated temple, this performance blends music, dance, and drama, offering both local and tourists of unforgettable cultural experience. Additionally, Prambanan remains an active site for Hindu ceremonies and pilgrimages. Every year, thousands of devotees visit to the prayer, particularly during Hindu festival such as Nyepi and Deepavali. While Prambanan cultural significance is strong in mythical tale as another layer of intrigue which Amanda will now explain.
One of the most fascinating aspects of Prambanan is the legendary story of the Roro Jonggrang, a tale deeply woven into the Japanese folklore. According to the legend, Roro Jonggrang was a beautiful princess whose kingdom was conquered by a powerful prince named Banu Bondowoso. The prince is fell in love with her, with Roro Jonggrang, and proposed to marriage. However, unwilling to accept, Roro Jonggrang is a device and impossible challenge. She demanded that they build 1,000 temples in a single night, believing that this would be an untenable feat. To her astonishment, Bandung Bondowoso used supernatural powers, and with the help of mystical spirit, management of the constructs 999 temples before dawn. The spirit to prevent him from succeeding, Roro Jonggrang tricked the spirit by ordering the village to pound rice and set the fire to mimic the rising sun. Fooled by the illusion, the spirit is fled, leaving the temple construction and incomplete. Nah, injured by her distraction, Bandung Bondowoso pursued Roro Jonggrang, turning her into the final statue that now stands within the Shiva temple. This legend gives a permanent and aura of the mystery and the spiritual depth, attracting visitors who seek to connect with the mythical spot. While this legend adds a mystical element to Prambanan, its global to recognition by UNESCO further solidifies its importance, which Anissa will now elaborate on.
UNESCO recognition and prescription. Due to its existing universal code, Prambanan Temples was officially designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 1991. This recognition highlights is significant as one of the most remarkable Hindu temples in the world. However, Prambanan faces continuous threats from natural disaster. Location is located in a seismically active region. The temple has suffered damage from several earthquakes, including the devastating earthquake of 2006. Additionally, volcanic eruption from Mount Rati pose further risks. To protect this historical treasure, extensive restoration and conservation efforts have been undertaken by the Indonesian government and international organizations. Archaeologists and preservation efforts work diligently to maintain the temple's structural integrity, while ensuring that its ancient artistry remains intact. The place as challenge Prambanan continues to stand firmly, captivating and who visit. Now, let's plan our presentation.
Okay, to summarize, Prambanan Temple is not just an articular marvel, but also a cultural and spiritual beacon that continues to inspire generations from its origins in the 9th century to its recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Prambanan remains a powerful symbol of Indonesian pride and diverse heritage.
Its towering temples, intricate carvings, and the mythical legends make it a site of unparalleled beauty and significance. Whether as a religious sanctuary and cultural stage or a historical wonder, Prambanan stands as a timeless masterpiece.
We hope our presentation has given you a deeper insight into the importance of Prambanan Temple. Thank you for your attention, and we will now be happy to answer any question you might have.
See you again.
Bye bye. Thank you for